This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new or edit an existing General Ledger account. In the main cabinet, go to General Ledger, click on Account List. To create a new GL account, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing GL account, click on the account name ID from the account list. Notice the multicolored buttons along the top. Blue Add is to create a new GL account. Purple Copy is to copy an existing GL account's information to a new GL account. Green Save is to save the information just entered. Green Save and Add is to save the new information just entered, close the current GL account tab, and open a new GL account tab. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving. Orange Delete deletes the General Ledger account record you are on. Blue Customize Form allows administrator to relabel any field on the screen. Blue Customize Tabs allows administrator to add, change, or reorder page tabs across the top of the screen. Red Save and Close saves all information entered and closes the current GL account tab. Red Close closes the current GL account tab. When entering or editing the General Ledger account information, be sure to fill out anything with a red asterisk or the GL account will not save. All other fields can be utilized on a per General Ledger account basis. Give the General Ledger account a unique account ID. This is alphanumeric up to 10 characters. Enter the account name. Choose the account type from the dropdown. Department can be used if company utilizes multiple departments. Sort group can be utilized to combine multiple GL accounts when printing financial statements. Check the box if this is a controlled account. There is a note section and additional user fields that include text, logical, date, and number fields. The system administrator can customize these user field labels to be used to store additional information about the GL account. Click Save when done entering new GL account information. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new GL accounts. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing GL account information, and it will close the current GL account tab.